Understanding to Plead Ignorance. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, to plead ignorance. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really help you navigate conversations with greater ease. Let's dive in to uncover its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you get a solid grasp on how to use it effectively in your daily communication. To plead ignorance means to claim that one does not know something. When someone uses this phrase, they are essentially saying that they are unaware of the information, facts, or situation in question. It's important to note that this can be used genuinely when someone truly does not know, or it can be used as an excuse to avoid responsibility or the consequences of having knowledge about a particular matter. This phrase can be used in a variety of situations, ranging from casual conversations to formal discussions. In casual settings, you might use it to express that you were not aware of a friend's plans or a recent event. "I'm sorry I missed your birthday party. I have to plead ignorance. I didn't know it was happening." In more formal or professional settings, it might be used to denote a lack of awareness about a specific rule or policy. "Regarding the breach of protocol, I must plead ignorance. I was not aware of the recent changes to the guidelines." Understanding the context in which you use this phrase is crucial, as pleading ignorance can sometimes be perceived negatively, especially if it's believed that you should have known about the matter in question. To help you better understand how to use to plead ignorance, here are a few examples. In a conversation, I had to plead ignorance when they asked me about the new software update. "I haven't read the memo yet." In a professional email, "I apologize for the oversight in my previous report. I pled ignorance to the fact that those figures had been updated last week." In a social situation, everyone was talking about the latest news scandal, but I had to plead ignorance. "I haven't been keeping up with the news lately." I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, to plead ignorance, and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, it's a useful expression for conveying a lack of knowledge or awareness, but it's also important to use it appropriately to avoid any negative implications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in your journey to mastering the English language. See you in the next video.